Good morning, DJ. It's Thursday, October 2nd. The time is currently 9:26 a.m. What's good, DJ? It's a good bloody morning. Well, don't watch the hair though. I'm taking it out and things, so I don't even care. You see me raw uncut, this is the real me, DJ. Nothing to hide from you, okay? Me and you, we're like this, white on rice, but tight, okay? But anyway, woke up today at 7:45. Okay, got my morning routine in. My morning routine kind of switched up a little bit. But it's still generally the same shit, just kind of switched up a little bit, getting some just a tiny bit of what is it called? Kinesthetic? Whatever the shit is called. Anyway, just workouts without no weights in there, whatever the shit is called. Just look like a little, morning routine type shit, but whatever. Arrived at my desk at 9:22. Okay, even though I started this a bit tardy, I was posting PM sessions DJ yesterday because I didn't post it yesterday. Actually, I forgot. So arrived at my desk at 9:22. As always, my weekly target is 5%. My daily target is $500. Obviously, we're nowhere close to that target, but that's what we're working towards, all right? So I'm not fussed about it. It'll come when it comes. Mental check-in, feeling generally okay, all right? Excited to see what price action has in store for us today. Excited to grow and continue to get 1% better each and every day in these markets, all right? So yeah, risk disclaimer. I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of that game. News is NFP Thursday. Welcome to the Wild Wild West, right? We navigating that bitch nice though. Oh, we still getting caught up here and there, but that's all learning experience. Anyway, we have news today. We have high impact news coming out 8:30. We have medium impact news coming out 10 and 10:30, and later on in the evening. So yeah, we have news today, making an optimal day to take a trade. Risk going into today, we're already at one contract. I'm not trading I'm not trading express today. Today and tomorrow or the remainder of the week will be a true tape reading session, not even demo trading. I don't even care to get in a trade. I just really want to pay attention to the price action, right? And not have any like feelings like, oh, I'm in a trade, I want it to go this way, like just pay attention to the price action. That's all we're doing today and tomorrow. Tape, pure tape, 110% tape reading. Okay? No demos, no trades, no nothing. All right? Okay. Let's get into it. So weekly program going to this week was a buy program. All right, let's go ahead. Okay, one thing I also wanted to know as well. If you're in a buy program, baby girl, your main focus when you step in front of the charts is that you're looking to buy. You're looking for ways you can buy. You're looking for avenues, bus stops to jump on the buy. Okay? Okay, if you get a sell and it's clean and it's nice, grab it because it's $100. If you see $100 on the floor, pick it up. But your main objective and focus is your weekly program. Okay? I digress. Let's move on. Let's go ahead and review price action to see if anything's happened to change that weekly program for us here, okay? Dollar still being held in the area, okay? So yeah, nothing much to say about dollar. All right. Overall, we're still in risk on scenario, okay, based on price looking at the 60-day look back and obviously overall price action. But it's being held, all right, and it's being held for a reason. All right. When it's allowed to bust out that shit, who's gonna bust out? Hey, look at this bad boy. It's just going, man. It's just going. This came here and I don't know how to get rid of it. So, was that always there? Hmm, Whatever. As you can see, all right, nothing's happened in price to change our weekly program. If anything, it's kind of confirming our weekly program, okay, that we're on side on that weekly program. So, yep, I like to stay with that weekly premise. With a flag goes Santorini. I didn't delete these. I took my pictures. No, I delete them. Body on me. Wait, look at that gap though. What a big ass gap. Price action gonna be good. That means it's just been going up. It's below price. Okay, that means we gapped up. It's uncharted territory. Okay, all-time high. So, hey, it is what it is. Let me do this first before I forget. I opened here and then close it off. But if I go Santorini, I did say I was going to delete all of this because I don't be using any of them no more. That's crazy. We're way above midnight opening price, okay? So we're in deep, deep premium. Body on me, body on you. I don't really want to be involved in that. How can I be a buyer of price today? Because sometimes I get too ahead of myself. Like it really like dawned on me when I think it was when it was oh no, it was yesterday. Yesterday. I closed a pro trend trade to get into a counter trend trade. That's when I was like, come on, man. What are you talking about, girl? Come on, Willis. So now I have to like I have to make it a prominent thing, you know? You know, we're not gonna live forever. Yeah, it's gonna be the you be rocking to the morning. Early. Why is it not showing on here? Early morning, early morning. Take me to the I am. When I live with you, come touch the sky with me. Big and bold letters, okay? Can't ignore that. All right? That's my weekly program. Come on. Let me not sync it. I don't want to see an all chart time frames. Where are we? You're in premium. You're in premium. Where are we coming from? The premium. Come on, touch the scale. We can below this key high here. What do we have below price? Sorry. This 4 hour efficiency here. We have a lower one. Leaves the SIBI. I want to see that SIBI keep price lower into potentially take out previous candle range low. Come on, touch the sky with me. This wouldn't be a setup I'll be interested in though, because I don't have time for my setup for my model. But post 9:30, hey, if you wanna get involved, get involved. Came to consequent encouragement of opening range gap. All right, so we're at equilibrium now of the previous candle range. Below this low, we have this 4 hour inefficiency. We also have Asia sell side, PM session sell side. And launch AM, got a bunch of sell side. Looking for ways to be a buyer, dropping it into discount. I'm interested, right? We don't have time, Tom on our side, yeah. Ding, 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 ding. With you, DJ, you don't mind if I take out some of this hair while I'm here, right? Maybe not right now because we're about to get into 400% focus mode. Mm. 45. I'm taking liquidity below the low. Please candle range low. Closure above this inefficiency or it gives a busy. That would be a good buying opportunity for me. That would take trade. Here, sell. Essentially, come in here. Hit this sell side into this inefficiency. If it wants to go, you have sell side, relative equals. Not really, but just inefficiency with sell side. Next draw is this on daily quadrant level. Right here. Into this sell side here, lunch session. Should it keep going? We have equilibrium, which is also where we have a new week opening gap. So this would be the trade I'll be getting into. So let's see what it offers or what our targets would be. Guess would be using swing. Same high. Below. If it fails, right, gives me that buy that I've been looking for. I'm looking for ways to be a buyer, but obviously if it ain't showing me that, what was I here for? Would I be in this trade though? As after I said I'm waiting, I'm looking naturally. I'll watch it, right? But I want it to fail. Jump on. Bye. But this is a really good sell. You're like premium on anticipating price to drop into a discount. But this is how the targets will go. Here to here. Yeah. Yup, yup. Closure above this. Well, if you leave this inefficiency, that's a buy I'll be interested in. Taking Asia low. Do you want to see it close above that low? No closure above the low, but we've had an inefficiency here, so this is interesting. Paying attention to that. The only thing about this trade is that where we went back, traded 2 and 3 back above it, but you see it closed back above it. close back below that. So I want to see this keep price low. So yeah, so that yeah, closure above that save me this loss here. Distance, so I'll just go with the one before. Price partial. Two in there. Don't knock it, baby. Trade back above it, two and through. Yeah. So we'll need to get closure. Now we've got the closure though. Closure back above it. Back above this inversion as well. But this is the swing I'm looking at. And we've got that market structure shift there. Have everything we need to go. We also had everything we needed here as well. Just there was no closure above it, above that kilo. Use a BC here. I'll enter on that BC, but obviously we have the inversion here as well. Yep, I'd be interested in this. Would have been tagged in there. Target wise. Did it? Well, we partial here. Do you have, oh, sugar, it's 10 o'clock already. Now, that makes sense, right? So, partial, partial, partial here, -3, right in line with that high there, previous candle high, range high, -5, lining up with that -1. I mean 0.5, 0.05. Oh, it did come back into the inversion as well there, so let me delete this one because it's irrelevant. So scrap the sales, even in discounts. Why am I trying to scrap it? We're in that discount place. That's perfect buys. Let's see our price. He's on this sippy. This sippy is what took this long. Yeah, traded 2 into it, back above it. So I never really had to get a closure. Closure above it is stronger confluence, but it doesn't have to close above it. You had time, you had price, we had everything. Fair trade. Good to know though. I want to see it blow through this. Leaves a busy here. That's a re-entry. We also have this inversion. Let's see the gap. Goes back below it. That means this candle needs to go. The next couple candles need to leave this area. Exactly what I want to see. This is what happened to me yesterday. We got a closure below it, and then I was like, because the previous days I'm like, yeah, closure below that, I'm gonna nix the trade. But pro trend trades, I need to be less, like commentate. I'm going with the trend, relax. I'm not throwing you off. I'm just throw the people that don't know off, when they close below that. So here, when I was anticipating a sell, don't even anticipate the sell. We're in discount. All I want to see is buys. Even if the sell happens, yeah, watch it and see the next logical discount array that is heading to, right? I don't need to be part of that move or each and every move, right? Even just watching is fine too. I don't wanna fall in love. I don't wanna, yeah, but you wanna take me to the highest. When I'm with you are, come touch the sky with me. Yeah, be a fantasy. Body on me, body on. They want for you. Malik, you did that with that album. I'm not gonna lie. It's a good album. This could just be a retracement, into 50% to tank. But, uh, Would have been taken out this one. It's high up here. First, we have to get to EQ. Yeah, I want to see it blow. I want to see it blow through it. I don't want to see it respected as a city. Take this low. Potentially price might want to keep going low. Yep, no respect. Bring back down here. Took that sell side here. This outside. Time swing here. Below midnight opening price. We want to be buying, right? Best buys will occur below midnight opening price. Oh, sexy set of parts there. Boom, boom. I don't want to see it respected as a CB because we're taking a little below 50%, but buy program. Looking for reasons to be a buy. Mm. It needs to go from here. Take me to the highest. Wanna live with you, I need no. Come touch the sky with me. Nearly be a fantasy. Body on, day one. Body on, body on, roll, falling, falling. Down close candles up in here. If it was strong, I wouldn't be seeing that many down close candles. It would just be well, one or two here and there, but it would be boop, 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 boop. So this price action isn't very what's what I'm looking for? not giving, strong to the upside anyway. It's giving much very stepping approach, staircase. And we'll close back below that now. It's not instilling confidence in this trade. That's the word. Not the word I was looking for, but close enough. Yup. I'm interested here. Said wasn't instilling confidence. There was too many down closed candles here. It was just like I was struggling. And they couldn't even get above the 50% of the previous candle's range. Closure below, okay? Want to see this key price lower here. Now let's see if an entry here would have been entry here. Where's the stop go? Swing high. 1045. Where are we coming from, right? Premium. From a discount to a premium. To, previous candle's range. Yeah, really. You're not taking you out the trades yet. Go CB there. Closure above it. Say goodbye. Taking this low, taking this low. Just close above it. Will be a good buy for me. Nope, still would be in a trade. All right, this is a good buy for me here. Took a low below the key low. All right, let's place higher. Inversion fair value gap. Also, we have been going up all week, right? So, do your thing, price. Do your thing. I'm watching. I'm watching and observing. But here will be a good buy for me, according to my model. We also have a busy in there. You see how price behaving now busy. Close back below that. Doesn't mean close the trade, right? But it's also not a good thing for the trade. Take this loan, take that loan. I'll be looking for this lower prices. I mean, discount array is about a deep, next discount array, I guess. Lungs aren't looking very strong right now. We're still holding on. We're still holding on to our trade. We're still holding on for dear life. Both of them give us 0.2, 0.5. But that's about it. I still don't want to sell, but obviously I'll pay attention to the sales as they happen. We're here looking for reasons to buy. Yep. This buy would have been done for anyway. Created liquidity right in front of this inefficiency. Yep. Just about still in that trade there. But wouldn't feel good if I was still in this trade. Definitely. Yep. Snap. Get you out there. That is gone. This one's next. I was in your day with too, like cracking it. I need to be catching myself now. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, cool. From here, I kind of just knew. Then we took that. That should have been it. And I struggled it up here. And broke back below it. Back below that low. At what time did it do it? Right here. This candle, when it took that low and then this candle closed below, back below this key low. This was the exit signal. Okay. Then we took that low below that. Yeah. Left the CB here. And time, and then price. At what time is the things occurring, right? What specific time is occurring? Okay. I'm looking to be a buyer, but if price action is showing me something else that, the buys, hey, we've overextended on the buys. I need to go low and get some more, accumulate some more in discount. Then maybe we can continue higher. But for now, I'm going down. Okay. It's the ending of the week, all right? We've been going up all week. It all comes down and plays a part into a narrative, right? And where potentially price could be drawing to. Here we could potentially get a good buy as well, but it could also keep going lower. Like I said, next key level is the daily what is it? What would be upper quadrant or the first quadrant, the second quadrant level, whatever. I don't know what to call them things there. All right, so target wise, well, we know the buy would have been wrong here. Target wise, this look is taken or below. So I'm looking at this. -2. -3.5. We had 5 lining up with new week opening gap. Monday open price 12 a.m. -7. Looking good down there if you want to go all the way down there. Which is my regular partial. Yeah, it's fine too, isn't it? Time and price. Taking a low below that key low. Closure above here. Good buy for me. Completely filled in open range gap there. So could have possibly done his job here. But until we get a closure above here, nothing for me to do. Either closure above there or a busy. We have PM session sell side. Okay, below price right here. Right into this huge 4-hour imbalance here. Fair value gap. This is my buy. This is my buy. If it takes out, just be an additional confluence. I don't really need it to do that right now. Just because we already took liquidity below. Okay. So waiting for a closure above this, which will also confirm this fair value gap. Oh, and we're taking that buy side. So double whammy. Double whammy. Even if you see a sell, just don't get into it. Leave them alone. Leave them alone. Watch them for now, right? For now, just watch the sales, anticipate them and watch them. Where's the next draw that it could potentially go to give you the buy that we're here for, right? So I'm not wasting a trade on the sell and missing what I'm here really to do. I'm here for buys and buys only. All right, so entry here. Just a little bit above it, it's fine. Just to ensure we get tagged in that trade. Stop at the swing. Target wise, because we took the low first, we're looking at this. Negative 1.5. Retaking it, but take something off there. Negative 4. Ooh, negative 6. And so on. Let's see though. Confirm this fair value gap here. I'm going to move the entry to that fair value gap. Take me to the end. We're still in the macro. Muted. DJ, I have no clue what happened there. No bloody clue. But everything just reset itself. I don't know what's going on. Bear with me, please. Let's get back to the business of the business. All right, as you can see, we would not have been tagged in this trade. No taggy in the tradey. Yeah, anyway, entry would be here. So I'll just be waiting. 11. Like that, it left a little bit of that inefficiency open there. Yeah. Okay. You'd be in there like swimwear. even don't even bother with it. Don't even bother. We're using it to take us to the next discount array that's going to give us what we're actually here to do. Cool. That is 50%. Obviously, if it's clean and the discount array is far, okay, our discount array was here initially. Cool. From here, we have a discount array here. Does it make sense to sell? If it was lower, right? If this was the next discount array, then it would make sense. And just looking here, you know, just paying attention. Just talking it through, talking it through. Trying to get a better understanding, you know? Just purely based on the price action. That's the ideal range to range. But in between, take some stuff off. Now, if this fails, okay, now then I'll be targeting this one next. Constellations in the skies, what was the beam of time? One of these online. Body on me, body on you, body on me, take on me. Falling. I'll be getting out of here soon, DJ. Given them multiple opportunities to get in, smart money. Then I come back muted like I don't know what's going on. Body on me, body on you, I take one for you. Ballin'. Trade performance review. Not that we took any trades today, but we're still gonna do a performance review. And I'm done here because I cannot take another one of this shit restarting. What I did well today is that I showed up, okay, got 1% better, gained experience and learned lessons that I'll take into my next trading day. Very happy and pleased with myself and my performance today for just tape reading, right? Getting closer, all right, to price action and better understanding of it, of these candlesticks. So can't take that away from me. Where I fell short, don't think I fell short anyway. I woke up about a decent hour, got my morning routine in. Chart wise, didn't take any trades today. Just pretty much tape reading and getting a better feel for, price and the draws on liquidity and where price is going. Well, I'll go back to something that I did well today is that purely my pure focus today, going to today, is that I'm in a buy program. I'm looking for ways to be a buyer. Okay, yes, we're gonna get sales in a buy program, fair enough. But right now, at my current experience, okay, I just wanna just watch the sales, right, as they happen. Watch it take you to the discount array, to the next discount array, where you're gonna anticipate, all right, your buy. So in a buy program, I'm looking for weekly, daily, 4 hour discount arrays to give me long setups like it did in here. Okay, and I'm looking to partial at the same time frames, premium arrays, or take something out. So yeah. No way I fell short. Can't think of anything. Can't pull nothing out the arse. All right. Didn't really do nothing much in price today. So, well, how can I fall short? When it's just a tape reading session, just a learning session, so nothing really to fall short on. How can improve for next day, next trading session is keep showing up, okay? Keep seeking excellence, keep doing what I've been doing, keep sticking to my model, procedures, and protocols. Always going to be the same, right? Keep doing that, right? Everything that is proven to be working, all right? Stick to it. Don't doubt it, all right? Obviously, we know we're going to take losses. That's the only thing promised to us. We accepted the risk, all right, in these markets, and we know there is risk, all right? That's the main thing. We understand and know there's risk, and we accept it. Losses are the only thing promised to us. We get that, all right? Our job here is just to mitigate the risk as much as we can. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, another something I can do to improve for next day, next trading session is, like I said, like I'm gonna keep driving it. I'm gonna keep driving it because like I haven't driven it enough in my subconscious, my conscious mind to just focus on my weekly program. Mainly, mainly just focus on your weekly program, all right? You're looking for ways to jump on the weekly program, right? Yes, you're gonna get counter trend trades, but only get into those trades if the next discount array, okay, obviously offers you a decent amount of, like, from here, from this discount array to this discount array. There's not much really going on there, right? What can you do with this, right? To hit from here to here into this inefficiency. Yeah, it's a little bit, but I don't want those. Yeah, I want big moves. I want big moves. Okay. I want the moves where I'm just in and it's just going, 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 no issues whatsoever. All right. But yeah, so your focus is your weekly program when you're in front of here. Okay. Just stay in that direction. Not saying that you can't trade in that direction, but just not yet. Not yet. Just let's build more confidence. Okay. Hmm. Back below it. Should you keep price lower? Let's pay attention though. Yeah, let's build more confidence on, getting a better read on price action. Okay, once we get to, obviously, when we can understand these candlesticks, like, 80%, then we can kind of obviously take these little trades back into here and feel no type of way, right? So, um, all in all, just to say, trade in the direction of the weekly program. Okay. If you get a counter trend trade, watch it, see the next discount rate that could potentially be going to the discount or premium, depending on what the weekly program is in it. Well, right now we're in a buy program, so that's why I'm using it as an example. Look to see the next discount rate that price could potentially go down into to offer you that buy, right? So we'll be back for PM session to see how this trade goes. Okay, but we're in there so far, in there so far it's showing me that I'm on side. It's giving me signs that I want to see that I'm on side. So this trade was fine. This trade was fine. But once we go here, the time, right, and we close back below that low, took this low back below, it was struggling to even get to 50%. That's what I was saying. Like, too many down close candles in this. As you can see in this one, there's not that many down close candles, right? But this one, there was so many down every up close here and there up close candle had a down close candle, down close candle, down close candle, up close, down close candle. Too many down close candles. This is what I want to see. Not too many, right? It's in here, but it's tiny, right? The majority is up close candles, right? Down one down close candle, I'm fine with that. That's an order block. Now, if you want to leave an inefficiency, I'm fine with that. That makes me happy. I like those kind of characteristics, right? That's what I want to be looking for. These down close candle, I want price to respect them, okay? I want price to respect it and keep price higher. Okay, that's what I'm seeing here. The down close candles need to be supporting price higher. Okay, that's institutional order flow. Let me know that I'm on side. Cool. So yeah, like I said, this is my next progression in this thing right here. Getting a better feel. And we were struggling to even break above the equilibrium of the previous candles, the 2 a.m. 4-hour candle. Couldn't even make it to the 10 a.m. No, 6 a.m. Equilibrium. Leaves the busy in here. Yep, perfect. Now I want to see this. Keep price higher. That's it and that's all. This is the kind of price action I want to see when I get into a trade. I also like the fact that we just tapped the inversion fair value gap, right? We stayed in the upper portion of it. We didn't even make it to the lower quantitative encouragement or to the lower quadrant of it. of that inversion fair value gap, which was the case here. All right, everything here was fine. It was, you know, was yeah, wasn't given like no good price action. It still respected the upper portion of that inversion fair value gap. Just that when we left it and just yeah, once we broke down, she went. Even broke back below that. Don't like that. Like I said, I want to see this keep price higher, and if it fails, it's telling me something about price. Oh, you know what? Forget it then. Don't want me to press it. Still respecting mean threshold. Okay. Nobody closures at mean threshold yet. Okay. Once we disrespect mean threshold with a body closure, it reduces this order block. And that's what it's doing. That's what it's doing. Like I said, this fails, it's also telling you something about price. It's not saying your trade is done, right? But it's telling you something. I have to confirm, hold on, because that was just a closed. Still no good sign. But yeah, DJ, not a good sign. But you still would be in this trade, okay? So we'll see what PMs when we come back for PM session, what the trade is saying, all right? NFP Tuesday. DJ, that's it for me this morning. Another more amazing morning session, tape reading. All right, getting closer to price action, getting a better feel and understanding for price and where it could potentially be going, and also my model, my procedures. What I want to be seeing in price action. It's all for the benefits of the future analyst and future trader I'm going to be. But yeah, morning session done for me here. As always, I'm the trader signing out. As you can see, we've closed below our mean threshold, closed below that order block. All right, so potentially I'm the trader signing out. Good luck, good trading, happy hunting.